Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, where trucks, torque, and tech meet head-on. Today we're checking out the Ford F-150 Lobo, a trim that blends premium touches, bold styling, and all the F-150 capability we know, but with a flavor you usually only see south of the border. Visually, the F-150 Lobo makes a strong first impression. Blacked-out grille with Lobo badging, exclusive 20-inch wheels, optional sport appearance package, 3.5L EcoBoost V6 options, 10-speed automatic transmission, full 4x4 capability, and of course, the same military-grade aluminum body Ford trucks are known for. Inside, the Lobo offers 12-inch SYNC for infotainment, digital instrument cluster, premium leather-trimmed seats, black headliner, and exclusive color stitching that gives it a unique cabin feel. So why does the F-150 Lobo matter for US fans? Simple. It proves how Ford can play with trim levels, offer unique regional packages, and hint at future F-150 special editions that could hit our market. Think of it as a more affordable alternative to the Tremor or Limited, with street style, capability, and some serious daily driver appeal. If Ford brought the Lobo trim to the US full-time, would you buy it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's get the truck talk going. And hey, don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dives on trucks you won't see everywhere.